caught this little bird inside of that chicken coop over there. And that was our old chicken coop. And made another video about me catching this. I put it in a bird cage for a little. Gave it a little food and a little water. So, and then I'm now letting it go. So let's watch it go. Well, there it goes. And it's gone. It looks like it's injured. Other than that, we could go hunting. And that would be pretty cool, which I'm about to do right now. Go hunting. I'm gonna check on my animals first. There's all the goats, all the chickens, all the pigs, all those pigs. And just hope there isn't a pig in here, because they get in here. Okay, there's no pigs. It's the worst sound. Okay. So, I got my gun. I'll make a new video soon. And I will make that video on hunting. Please subscribe and like the video if you like it. Thank you.